So whatever trading psychology issue we're going to be solving in this video. If you watch this video very carefully, and I'm going to be sharing my 4 years of experience, what I can be done that I can become a better trader in my early time when I was 18. So this video is going to be really helpful for you guys. If you watch this really carefully, I'm going to be sharing my point of view of what I can be done better, that I can be better trader. Just 3 points, right? So let's start with the first point. The first, you guys are just overlapping everything. You're trying to learn many things. I know, like you're thinking like you have to learn this strategy, this strategy. You have to learn nothing like that. You have to learn this book, like read this book, or learn strategy, watch more videos that you can become a better trader. Nothing like that. Just concentrate on one strategy, one course, or one mentor. This is going to really help in becoming a better trader. If this was said to me when I was a starting stage trader, I was becoming a best trader. Eventually, if you think what I would say, eventually, like just choose one strategy. I'm going to say the best strategy, whatever strategy works for you, you just go find it. Or else I'm going to be posting in upcoming videos what strategy I use. One of my strategy I'm going to be sharing with you guys on free on YouTube. And if you're really thinking what course I have to take and what else you have to take, just go see if that mentor or some guy is doing live streams. You're going to go see my channel. There'll be whole bunch of live streams. I'm just doing the live streams because I know what I am. I'm given more profitable trades. I know, like, how there will be pressure on coming on live streams. See, if I'm not having a viewership also, I know that for a fact that if a person is watching me, is a taking trade. So that I should be more responsible while taking a trade. So I just be more responsible and don't give any shitty trades. I do live streams and I've stopped live streaming for some while. We'll be back soon. That's this a different part. Let's speak about this. So choose one mentor, not many. You don't need many mentors. You need just one mentor. Go find it who feels like that's your kind, like this is easiest. Try to find the easy strategy. Don't try to find the toughest. That's going to be complicated for you. Nothing FAG, this, that shit, bro. Just find simple price action strategy which is really working on the market. Ask him, is it really working? Go see his live streams, that how the strategy is playing out. Is it taking the trade? Whatever it is, just go find it. So let's come to next point, right? So next point is, what profit I make doesn't decide my worth. Initially everyone else did this thing, like, yeah, I've did it. Like when I used to be like a initially a new trader, one day if I made on like initially I used to make 10,000 rupees on first day. Next day I'm losing the money. I used to feel very downgraded. So never think that one day profit will make you so worthfully. Next day you're losing, feel always the same. Like try to take the losses also in the same wise, and profit also in the same mental state. Don't be very happy when you're making profit also. Don't be very sad you're taking a loss also. Try to just be humble, dedicated to learn whatever the people are saying. If a person is saying, bro, you're doing wrong, you have to correct this thing, at least listen. Okay, listen to him, because a successful man always listens to the other person. Doesn't be ego. No, I'm always right, I'm always right. Nah, bro. We every person is not always right. Every humans can be right. I'm wrong, you'll be right. Everyone is not perfect in everything, of course, right? So the richest peoples you see, they are really very humble, ready to learn everything if you say them, and they don't have any freaking ego. That's what you have to be like to become a more better trader. And don't let your profits boost your mental state so much also, and not losses put you into your downgraded, like you're feeling so much ego, you're taking a back to back trades. No, Let's go to next point now. So failure and losses are part of game. So if you're being in Indian family, in middle class family, you'll be heard this thing frequently, and in schools also, that if you failed once, you'll be called worst fellow, of you're not ready to do anything, you're waste, or you're worst to do anything, right? This will be the society calling. Of course, that's the wrong thing. Because why I would say, because it is, because it's a lie. Because this is what they're saying is, should not become a failure if you want to become a perfect, if you want to be perfect, right? Why you have to be perfect? You have to be perfect for being a 9 to 5 worker. If you want to become a worker below the any boss, like I'm running a company, and I'm working, a guy is working below me. I want a perfect man, right? He has to work perfect. If it's not doing anything perfect, I'm going to be removing him from my company. Of course, that's a simple mentality of company, or whatever is running, is in business, is running, is mindset will be that if my employee is not working properly, I'm going to be removing him. Of course, that's a common mindset. That's what they're preparing for. They're not preparing you for life. So if you want to win in life, you have to fail in life, brother. So failure and losses are the part of game. See, if uh, this let's speak about Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. These peoples were the failures, right? People laughed at them, but now you see they don't care about the failure now. They speak how rich they are. Think, Elon Musk, he said that he is going to launch a rocket to space. He's going to bring it back, and he did it. And now he's the world richest man. Like, yeah, bro. No one speaks about the failure he did. See, if eventually, if you fail in school, in any exam, once you fail, okay, you dropped out, then you'll be called failure, right? Then you'll be called failure. If you just continue to write the same exam again and again, again and again, again and again, you did it like 10th time, no one is going to care about your failure also. You'll be like, yeah, this guy did it, bro. They're going to forget about your failure you did. If you do this trading, you fail first 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, then you cracked it, bro. Then no one freaking cares about your failure. Until then, they'll be speaking about failure. I know. That's what society is we are staying in. That's nothing like, that's what they prepare us for. So if you want to win in life, you have to accept the failure and losses, so you can become a better trader. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Decision making power. So you guys are not having a pre-planned anything. Like for example, uh, you're going to a restaurant and you take a time of 30 minutes to choose what you want to eat, right? So if you are having this much of taking time you're taking for deciding one thing, then what you're going to do in trading? Because trading needs a good decision making power. Because your trade is not going to wait for you to decide for very long time, and it's not going to wait, no, I'm coming again, no, right? So you need more focus on deciding when you're going to trade. So eventually, if you want to become a better decision making trader, uh, I would say your life is simple. I'll say, you don't know when to get up, you don't know when to sleep, you don't know when to bath, you don't know when to eat, you don't know what to eat, you don't know anything. You don't have any decision. See, you are doing this thing. Start planning from right now. Journal. See, when I'm going to do this thing, when I'm going to do this thing, when I'm going to do this thing. Journal. One another day, you're going to be like, you'll be not needed a journal at all. You'll be doing everything on the way. You'll just have more time. See, you're doing this thing, you're writing all this thing, you're doing everything in one time. Perfect. See, you choose one time to take bath, you're taking food, everything. So now you have decide time. Now you have more time to decide to take trade, right? This is going to take you more in success, or else see, you're going to waste all the time in taking all the decisions. On last of the day, you're not going to have the power of making decision, my friend. So eventually, don't make the decisions at the last moment. Pre-decide what you have to do, what the things are, and give more time on trading to decide what you have to do. So if you see this successful people, they don't um, waste their time on deciding what they have to wear, like Mark Zuckerberg and Steve Jobs. We can say you have not be like them. I'm saying they just wear like black t-shirt and jeans, because they don't want to waste their time, precious time, to decide what they want to wear. That's it. They just want to give more decision making time for their opportunity, what they want to be. So that was the thing. Next, let's come. And yeah, now, my friend, maybe in 20s, it's not possible to become a millionaire, billionaire. Many people ask me how to become a million, bro. No, bro. First, start making a 10,000 rupees or 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees. Start making that much. Then you can eventually make a million money. A millionaire. You can become millionaire. That's in your mind, bro. It's in your mind. It's not about you have to be so disciplined in your life to become a millionaire. It's not so easy. You're getting this much time. You're getting like, it's okay. You're getting at this afternoon, but see, you have to have the pattern in life, right? You're getting whenever you need. We are getting whenever you need. Sleeping whenever you need. Like, no, that doesn't work like that. So give more time on trading, work on it. Eventually you can do it. So if a trader is having taking 1 or 2 years to become a better trader, that's okay. If you're taking more than 3 to 4 years, then eventually you have some problem that you have to correct it down to become a better trader, right? So that's what I want to say. Start, keep on grinding, you can do it. Just make the major decision pattern. You can work on it, my friend, and you can become a better trader. And if you don't have any strategy, you can join my live streams. It's absolutely free. And yeah, I'll try to post a new video on my strategy. One of my strategy I'll post, so you can just learn and become a good trader. And if you want, use that thing. So on the note, that let's trade eventually good. Decide what you have to do on before the day next day starts. So become a better trader in 2026. Your guys are just rocking and just becoming a good trader. That's what I all want from my whole heart. That's it. So see you guys on next. Until then, bye bye. Signing off. Lark, Lark. Peace, boys.